Hey guys, agenda video for day 6. Hopefully you guys are getting outside. I know I am today. It's super duper nice out. Make sure you're getting some fresh air and you're not cooped up inside all day long. Fresh air is good for you during this time of isolation. So what you're supposed to do today, day 6, April 7th, you're going to do a journal. So the journals are right here. Make sure that you are completing those journals and handing them in. Remember, full page. So we'll go over that real quick, what your journal is for the day. This is my screen here, so you're seeing a little bit more than what you would see. So don't worry about that. This is all going to be journals for when we come back to school, or when we come back from spring break. We're most likely going to be closed for a little bit longer. All right, so if we scroll all the way down to our journals, we're going to view more just because I have a lot more than what you do. Okay, so journal number 6 is going to be, okay, April 7th is no housework day. So in a paragraph, I want you to explain what activity or activities you would enjoy doing in place of housework. So what would you do during the day instead of doing, like, what would you typically do instead of doing chores all day long? Okay, so that is what your journal is about today. Super duper easy. All right. And then after that, you're going to do reading comprehension today. We're going to be reading. We're going to be reading a story, La Festival Calabaza. All right. There is going to be a audio for that, so make sure you check out the audio. If we scroll all the way up to your reading comprehension portion, so that's writing. Scroll down to reading. Your reading is going to be right here. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be reading from. Later today, later today I'll post there'll be a video up so you can listen to that reading. These are paper-based questions. If you want to do a paper-based, and send me a picture, and then this is your worksheet that you're going to have to copy and paste into a document. I did figure out how to make copies of each assignment for the time that we would probably be closed after spring break, so it'll be easier for you to complete assignments. Yay, go Miss Russ. We're all learning this Google Classroom all at the same time, so bear with me while I am learning with you as well, okay? So after you're done reading, make sure you answer those questions and then send them to me. Make sure you are pushing turn in that top right corner of any of your assignments. It says turn in. Make sure you're doing that, so that way I know that you're turning in your assignments and I can give you a grade for them. Hopefully you turned in your day 1 through 10, March 17th through the 30th assignments. They were the last day to hand those in to the school was yesterday. So hopefully you did hand those in. If not, you can make sure you send me pictures of everything, because I'm going to make sure I get that in for the 3rd marking period. Okay. Remember, if you have any questions, make sure you comment on this video and I can get right back to you, or have a parent email me and we can stay in communication. All right. Hope you guys have a great day.